Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Bitwarden browser extension and clear autofill history, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Bitwarden browser extension, start by opening your web browser. Locate the extensions menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on the puzzle piece icon or the three-dot menu, depending on your browser. From the drop-down, find the option labeled Manage Extensions or Extensions. This action will redirect you to a page showing all installed extensions. Scroll through the list until you find the Bitwarden extension. Once found, look for the option to remove or uninstall. Click on the Remove or Uninstall button next to the Bitwarden extension. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure about the removal. Confirm the action to uninstall the extension. Next, you'll want to clear the autofill history. Go back to your browser's Settings menu. In the Settings, look for a section labeled Privacy, Security, or Autofill. Navigate to the Autofill settings. Here, you will find options related to forms and addresses. Select the option to manage or clear autofill data. You may see a list of saved entries. Choose the ones you wish to delete. Confirm your selection to clear the autofill history. After completing these steps, Bitwarden will be uninstalled, and your autofill history will be cleared. You are now ready to use your browser without the Bitwarden extension and its autofill data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.